Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the different set of AI interview questions that you can get in the interviews, right? So I've created a cheat sheet and it would be very much useful for you. So we'll share those details with you because these days in an interviews, they have started asking about the questions on automation testing as well as how do you leverage AI in 2026. So in 2026, if you are looking for job opportunities, so it becomes very important that you should know the role of agentic AI. You should know how to create agents. You should know how to leverage AI in 2026, right? So we have a webinar and we have last 100 seats available. So webinar is on 20th of June, Saturday. So the timings are 11 a.m. onwards. So we will be having a session from 11 a.m. and then it will be having question and answers also. So you can enroll for this webinar and it's totally free of cost. We are not going to charge anything to you. Plus, the bonus resources will be given to you absolutely free of cost. So to attend this webinar and make the maximum use of this weekend. So this was an information about the webinar, which will help you to gain the knowledge. You will get an information about what kind of AI insights the market is looking for. And let me tell you about this cheat sheet as well. Okay. So these days, with respect to the AI being in the market, right? You should know about these things. Okay. You should know about these things. So this is a small checklist that I have created for AI, and this is for the testers. Okay. So first of all, you should understand about the core AI terms. Okay. What are these core AI terms? So you should know about LLMs, you should know about RAG, you should know about embeddings, you should know about hallucination. What is hallucination? Why tools are selected or rejected, why they are made eligible based on the process or not eligible. So this is all about hallucination. Okay. What is hallucination? Hallucination is nothing but are the tools giving the sugar coated or the fabricated answers instead of telling the actual truth. That is your hallucination. Okay. So it generally comes when the tools are trying to expose the information to you, which is not relevant or which is not the actual fact. Okay. So these days, the tools and the tech stack that you should use for the AI should not be hallucinating. Otherwise, they will be confidently telling you those fake answers as truth, and you will be accepting those things. So, which is not at all accepted. Okay. So these are the core AI terms that you should know. Should know about tokens. There's a lot of noise around AI tools, but at the same time, people are also talking a lot of things about tokens. How do you optimize the use of the tokens? How do you make sure that you use less tokens and get the maximum work done? Okay, so that's again important fine-tuning things. Okay, so with respect to AI testing, so different AI testing categories are there. For example, you have prompt testing, you have RAG testing, hallucination testing, agent testing, safety testing, security testing, performance testing, evaluation testing, governance testing. There's so much of testing that you people have to do with respect to AI. Okay, so that is the AI testing categories, hallucination we discussed. Then what are the different AI agent testing areas? Okay, so if you see, how do you start with the process? Okay, so first of all, you select a tool. Then you'll see how much the tool is able to connect with you with respect to the retention. Are they able to connect with you, connect the dots with respect to what you had prompted earlier, or they are starting a new session altogether? So that's again very important thing. Okay. Is it able to handhold the retry logic? Is it able to handle the error recovery things? So these are the AI agent testing areas that you should be aware about. Okay. So this is a checklist that I have created, which of course I'll be sharing with you as a part of the webinar that we are going to do. Okay. On the upcoming weekend, that is 20th of June, right? So I would request everybody to enroll for this webinar. It would be very much informative and it is a live session also. So we are going to practically show you how the agents actually work. So do attend this webinar. It is absolutely free of cost, right? No charges at all. And it's a weekend, so you don't have to go to the workplace. So make the maximum use of it, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.